ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we'll do monthly horoscope for October 2021 and we'll take up natives with Aquarius sign to know what is coming in October for these people with respect to their careers, love and relationship, finance and health, and at the end of it we'll do the remedies to overcome such problem. So friends, let us start our topic, and if you like my video then at the end of it please do like it, subscribe it, comment on it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start our topic, monthly horoscope, October 2021 Aquarius sign. As you can see this chart is the transit of October 2021 of planetary positions in October. Starting with the career of Aquarius natives, October is going to be full of ups and downs for the natives belonging to zodiac sign of Aquarius. The presence of Ketu in the 10th house is likely to disturb the work environment. Your superiors may remain displeased with you as third Lord Mars is placed in 8th house with Sun in Virgo sign. You will get no support from your colleagues or your friends. But due to Saturn aspect on the 6th house of job, you would be able to crush the scheming and conspiracies against you in the workplace. Also, Mars as a 10th Lord is placed in the 8th house with Sun, and after one day, 8th Lord Mercury would also transit to the 8th house in its sign of exaltation, which is bad for profession as hindrances and obstruction would then increase substantially. 8th Lord being in exaltation or strong, the only thing that could be of some relief would be aspect of Jupiter onto the 6th house, as well as 10th Lord Mars, which is placed in the 8th house, that also is aspected by Jupiter. That is the only relief, the aspect of Jupiter on 6th house and onto the Mars, which is 10th Lord. So you are advised to keep your impulsive behavior in check, and especially for the first 2 weeks when Sun would also be there with 10th Lord Mars in the 8th house, but after 2 weeks Sun will transit to the next sign. Also, the time for business point of view is not favorable, as well as 10th Lord Mars and 7th Lord Sun present in the 8th house, which can give sudden or unexpected troubles in business. Also, for the first 2 weeks of month of October, Sun will transit to the next sign, which is Libra, or the debilitated sign for Sun, due to which things in business might get worsened. Now, regarding the financial point of view, from the finance point of view or the economic point of view, the month of October is not good. 11th Lord and 2nd Lord Jupiter would be placed with Saturn in the 12th house and would give sudden and unexpected expenditure which can keep your finances awry. But for person who are into investments in speculative trades and tradings can give you profit, as Mercury, which is the 5th Lord and 8th Lord, would be present in the 8th house in the sign of exaltation, which is Virgo sign, after 1 day of October. But you should keep your spendings in check, as Saturn in the 12th house is placed in own sign Capricorn, can give wasteful spending. So you are advised to use money wisely this month. Now for the love and relationship, the month of October can be full of ups and downs for love affair. Sun and Mars will be present in the 8th house after 1 day of October, and fifth lord Mercury would also join them, which will create unnecessary fights, arguments and clashes between the lovers. But the aspect of Jupiter onto the 8th house would be of some relief. For singles, there would be no chance of finding their mate or new relationship, as fifth lord Mercury would be placed in the 8th house. For married natives too, the time would be challenging with respect to relationship between husband and wife, as Sun would be placed, which is 7th lord, would be placed in the 8th house with another fiery planet Mars. After one day of the month of October, the 8th law of Mercury would also join them in its sign of exaltation, due to which there would be tendency to dominate each other, which can cause tension in relationship. Also, after 16th of October, 7th lord Sun will transit to the next sign in the sign of Libra, which is the debilitated sign of Sun, and would be aspected by another inimical planet Saturn. Then the situation between husband and wife might worsen. However, the aspect of Jupiter on the 7th lord Sun, placed in the 8th house for the first 2 weeks of the month of October, would keep the things moving, but still the position of two fiery planets Mars and Sun into 8th house, where Sun is the 7th lord of marriage, is not good, and you are advised to keep impulsive nature in check and try to remain calm and patient. Now, from the health point of view, the month of October is going to be unfavorable. The presence of Saturn in the 12th house, which is the ascendant lord, may cause discomfort in legs, but the placement of Jupiter along with ascendant lord Saturn making Neech Bhang Raj Yoga would give some relief after some initial troubles. Also, the 5th lord Mercury in the 8th house along with Sun and Mars can cause some skin allergies and stomach infection. So keep your eating habits in check. However, there is no possibility of any major problem occurring, as Jupiter is aspecting it. Do regular exercise, which can keep your body healthy. Now the remedies would be: do the Saturn mantra for health problems and do the Venus mantra for relationship problems. Also friends, these remedies are general remedies in nature. For specific remedies, I need to see the chart in totality, then only I can recommend any specific remedy for a native. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, like it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।